A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Welcome to Maths online class. Today class is chapter 1 rational numbers. In the previous class, we explained the properties of rational numbers. Some properties are completed. Today discussing about a additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Dear students, today class is properties of rational numbers. The next concept, existence of inverse. This is two types, existence of inverse. The first one is the additive inverse. The first one is additive inverse, and the second one is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. So first we explain the additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Any two numbers whose sum is 0. Any two numbers whose sum is 0. It means we have to take the rational numbers or integers. Anyone, okay? Sum is 0 because of, for example, any two numbers whose sum is 0 are called a additive inverse. Additive inverse. It means of, then here a minus a or additive inverse of each other. A is minus a or additive inverse of each other. So this is a plus of minus a equal to 0. What is the additive inverse? So for example, have to thus 2. The number is 2. Additive inverse means minus 2. Additive inverse means minus 2. Understand here? Additive inverse means minus 2. So here observe that. So take the positive numbers, we'll get the additive inverse is minus 2. Take the minus number, we'll get the additive inverse is positive. Did you understand here? The another example, minus 5, take the additive inverse 2, additive inverse equal to plus 5. Understand here? So what is the equation here? Then a minus a or additive inverse of each other. So it is a is a additive inverse is minus a. So the sum means is 0. Any two numbers whose sum is 0. So a plus sum means addition symbol, and additive inverse is minus a. A plus of minus a equal to plus into minus minus. A minus a equal to 0. Understand here? It is a additive inverse. Once I explain additive inverse, we have to take any two numbers whose sum is 0. Then we have to take any two numbers, the sum is 0, are called a additive inverse of each other. Understand here? So finally then a, for example, then a minus a or additive inverse of each other. Understand here? So 2 is additive inverse is minus 2, or 5 by 7 is additive inverse is minus 5 by 7, like that. Understand here? Okay. Next, multiplicative inverse. The next topic is multiplicative inverse. So here observe that any two numbers whose product is 1. Any two numbers whose product is 1 are called a multiplicative inverse of each other. Understand here? Any two numbers whose product is 1, we have to take the rational number, integers, your wish. Then the product is 1. That is called a multiplicative inverse. Understand here? The product is 1 are called a multiplicative inverse. So for example, we have to take the example, multiplicative inverse example. So here taking that the product of 1. So it means for example, the product of two numbers, 4 into 1 by 4. We have to take the two numbers. So 4 into 4, product means multiplication. 4 into 4, 4 into 1 by 4. 4, 4 cancel, remaining 1 is there. The product is the 1. For example, 1 by 2 and what is the multiplicative inverse here? Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal, both are same. Multiplicative inverse and reciprocal. So 1 by 2 is a multiplicative inverse is 2. Multiplicative inverse, it means change the denominator and numerator. So it is 2 by 1. Multiplicative inverse is 2 by 1. Understand here? So the product is the 1. So here 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 cancel, remaining 1 is there. The product is the 1. Understand here? Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse, understand? Okay. Next we will start the exercise 1.1.
Dear students, this is the exercise 1.1. So name the property involved in the following examples. So here 9 problems are there. So which type of property is there? So first one is the 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5. So the adding of 0, they will get the same number. Okay, is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. So 0 plus 8 by 5 or 8 by 5 plus 0, they will get the answer 8 by 5. So this is the which type of property? So here once observe that a plus 0 is equal to a. At the same time 0 plus a equal to a. Already we explained that. So here what is the which type of property? This is additive identity. Additive identity. So here so remaining all do the homework. Once observe that, once I explain that. What is the second one? 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. It is the one group. Okay, 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. So which type of property? This is so here a into b plus c. So here write a into b plus p into c. This is which type of property? We know that distributive law. What is this? Distributive law. So here 3 by 7 into 1/3 1. 3 by 7 into 1 is equal to 3 by 7 is equal to 1 into 3 by 7. Here, so here the product of the 1. Which type of property? This is a, we know that this is additive identity and this is the multiplicative identity. We know that, already explained that. So here a into 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 into a. So here 1 is a multiplicative identity. Okay. Next, fourth one, minus 2 by 5 into 1 is equal to minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 into minus 2 by 5. Anyone change here? Same, but here symbol is the change. So it is also multiplicative identity. Next here 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. So here it is a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. So this is which type of property? Yes, commutative property. Understand here? So here sixth one, 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 equal to 15 by 14. 5 3s are 15 and 2 7s are 14. So this is which type of property? Yes, closure property of multiplication. Under the properties, under 4 operations are there. What is that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we know that closure property under addition, a plus b belongs to R. At the same time a minus b belongs to R and a into b belongs to R. A divided by b belongs to R. This is the closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here a into b, the product of 15 by 14. So it is which type of property? Closure property under multiplication. This is the closure property under multiplication. So here 7a plus minus 7a equal to 0. Today class first we explained that additive inverse. So A additive inverse is minus A, 7A additive inverse is minus 7A. Minus plus into minus, minus 7A minus 7A, 0. This is which type of property? Additive inverse. So here eighth one, x into 1 by x equal to 1. X cancel, remaining 1. So this is which type of property? Multiplicative inverse. So here observe that additive identity and multiplicative identity, these are two different. So here additive inverse and it is a multiplicative inverse. Understand here? So next one, 2 into x plus 2 into 6 is equal to. So these two groups observe that it is a total one group and it is a total another group. So here for example, A into B is equal to A into C. So here A same number, we have to take here A and B. So here C. So these two A plus A into B plus A into C. These two groups of A is a common. So here is equal to A into B plus C. So what is the A here? 2 into B plus C. B is a x plus 6. So this is which type of property? This one is the, yes, distributive law. Understand here? So dear students, first Roman, these 9 problems write in classwork. Understand here? Okay, next one. Second Roman, write the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of the following. Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Each problem write the both inverse, additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. For example, minus 3 by 5. So first we should write the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse? Then here take the negative value. So here take the additive inverse is 3 by 5. Understand here? So at the same time, multiplicative inverse. We know that multiplicative inverse means or reciprocal. We know that. So here minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 3. Multiplicative inverse means change the reverse of the numerator and the denominator. So here symbol of the negative is there. So then we have to take the symbol, take minus 5 by 3. 3 cancel and 5 cancel. Remaining how much is there? 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Any two numbers whose product is 1. So here product is 1 or not? Yes. That is a multiplicative inverse. So remaining second, third, fourth, fifth, remaining 4 problems, do the homework. So first Roman complete, write the classwork, and second Roman also, and third Roman also. So here fill in the blanks. So write the homework. Here once explain that. First one, minus 1 by 17 plus dash equal to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17 is equal to values once observe that. Right side values observe that. Minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. Here already first we have to take the minus 1 by 17. Then we should write here minus 12 by 5. Understand here? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Understand? Yes. So observe and write the classwork. This fill in the blanks. Okay. So here what is the homework? Exercise 1.1 first Roman and second Roman, third Roman. Very easy. Okay. Right. So next fourth question. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of 5 by 14. Once again repeating, multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of 5 minus 5 by 14. So here two concepts are there. This problem is two concepts are there. So first reciprocal of 5 minus 5 by 14. First we completing the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. After multiply 2 by 11 of reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Understand here this problem, two concepts are there. First one, reciprocal of solution. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. We know that reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So what is this? change the symbol is as usual, right? And change the denominator, change to numerator, and the numerator change to the denominator. Understand here? This is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Next here multiply by 2 by 11. So here write multiply 2 by 11 by reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is equal to, so product, multiply means product, into, so here already we should write reciprocal of minus 5 by 14, how much we should write here? Minus 14 by 5, minus 14 by 5. So we will write here minus 5 by 14 of reciprocal, so that we should write the minus 14 by 5. So here minus 2 into 14 by 11 into 5. It is the symbol of the product. So we should write minus 2 into 14. 2 14s are minus 28. 2 4s 8. 2 2s. Okay. By 11 5s 55. Understand here? Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. This problem is two concepts are there. First we will find the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 after multiply 2 by 11. Understand here? Finally we got the answer minus 28 by 55. Okay? Right. Next, sixth question. Verify the following: 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. So here observe that verify the following. It is equal to both the sides values are equal or not, and which type of property, and which type of property. So here observe that first we have to take the, it is a LHS and it is a RHS, LHS and RHS. Okay, right. First we will find the LHS. Okay, what is LHS? 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to. Okay, so first group is the do the LCM. So here denominators 4 and 2. These two numbers having a tables, possible of tables. So here 2 table possible and here also 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 is there. So LCM of 2 comma 4 is equal to, so here 2 comma 4 is LCM 1 2 2s. So LCM is 2 into 1 into 2 is equal to 2 2s, 2 1s 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. The LCM is the 4. So here denominator 4. This one how many times of possible 4 in 4? 1 time. So 1 into numerator 5 is there. Plus 2 how many times of possible? 2 times. 2 into minus 1 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay. So here 5 plus 5 ones 5 plus into minus, minus 2 into 1 2 by 4 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, here understand? 5 minus 2 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay. So here observe that plus into minus, minus 3 by 4 plus into minus, minus 3 by 2. Already we know that 2 comma 4 is LCM is 4. Already we know that 2 comma 4 is LCM is 4. So here write LCM is 4. 4 how many times of possible? 1 time. 1 into 3 minus 2 times possible. 2 into 3. So here 3 ones 3, minus 2 3s are 6 by 4. Finally, 3 minus 6 means 6 minus 3 is 3. So, we'll possible 6 minus 3 minus 6 means minus 3 by 4. It is a LHS value, minus 3 by 4. Next one is the RHS value. This is the RHS. This is the LHS value is minus 3 by 4 and RHS and RHS. So, here write 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. So, here observe that here first grouped numbers are completed. Okay. So, here is equal to 5 by 4 plus 2 comma 2 is the same number. So, then we have to take the denominator 2. So, here 2 how many times are possible? 1 time into minus 1 plus again 2 how many times possible? 1 time, 1 into minus 3. Okay. So, here write 5 by 4 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 ones 3 into minus 3 by 2. So, here 5 by 4 plus minus 1 plus into minus minus 3 by 2. So, here write 5 by 4 plus minus 1 and minus 3 minus 4 by 2. So, here write 5 by 4 plus into minus minus 5 by 4 minus 4 by 2. Okay. Now, do the LCM. Now, do the LCM. So, here write LCM 4 comma 2 LCM. LCM of 2 comma 4. So, write 2 comma 4 2 table. 2 1s 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s 2 and 2 2s are 4. So, same. Here write LCM of. So, here the LCM of 4. Finally, we should write here denominator LCM 4. So, here 4 how many times of possible? 1 time. 1 into 5 minus 2 how many times of possible in 4? 2 times. 2 into 4. 5 ones 5 minus 2 4s are 8 by 4. So, here 5 minus 8. So, we should write a symbol of minus and 8 minus 5 is 3 by 4. This is RHS. Once observe that is equal to LHS value is minus 3 by 4 and RHS value is the minus 3 by 4. What we observe that student is equal to both the sides values are equal. So, it is a possible or not equation? Yes, possible. So, finally, we should write LHS equal to RHS. It means minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay. At the same time, once observe that children. So, it is equation A plus B, it is a grouped plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to, so here A is a 5 by 4. So, we should write A plus minus 1 by 2 is B. It is a one start the group. Minus 1 by 2, sorry, minus 3 by 2 is A plus C. So, what we observe that children, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Understand here? So, this is the which type of property? Observe that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Which type of property this is? Yes, associative property of under addition. So, here symbol of the addition, associative property of under addition. We observe that is equal to both the sides values are equal and this is a associative property of under addition. Okay, right. Next 7th problem. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. So here once evaluate, find the value. So here write solution. First we should write the equation. So here 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is the equation. So here observe that directly we should do the solution, but here observe that so denominator same is there, some two numbers, so we should write in the side by side. So here write 3 by 5 plus of minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. Understand here? Symbols no change, same, but here denominator same numbers we should write the side by side. Understand here? Because of solution is very easy. Because of solution is very easy. So here 3 by 5 plus into minus, minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus into minus, minus 2 by 3. Understand here? Okay, next here LCM of both two numbers are denominator is the two rational numbers denominator is the 5. Okay, so LCM is 5 and here LCM is 3. Okay, right here LCM is 5. 5 how many times of possible? 1 time. So 1 into numerator 3 minus 1 time 1 into 2 plus here denominator is the 3. LCM is 3. 1 time 1 into 7 minus 1 time 1 into 2. Okay. Next 1 3 is 3 minus 1 2 is 2 by 5 plus 1 7 7 minus 1 2 is 2 by 3. Okay. So here 3 minus 2 1 by 5 plus 7 minus 2 5 by 3. Now again do the LCM. Here denominator is the different. Here denominator is the different. So here only itself only factors, no need of another factors. So not there of another factor. So the product of the two denominators. LCM is the product of the two denominators because of here two different numbers, two odd numbers. Two odd numbers. Here two different numbers 3 and 5. Okay, here not there of possible of any table. So we should write LCM is 5 into 3 is equal to 15. LCM is 15. So here 5, 15 how many times of possible? 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. So 3 times possible into 1 plus 3 how many times of possible? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. It means 5 times possible into numerator 5. Okay, is equal to 3 1s 3 plus 5 5s are 25 by 15. So here 3 plus 25, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 by 15. Therefore 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 is equal to 28 by 15. Understand this one? Okay. Next, 8th problem. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So here listen carefully children. 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. From 1 by 3 it means of second number minus. Subtraction means symbol of minus. Second number minus first number. Understand here? 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. It means of the second number minus 3 by 4. Okay. So here do the LCM. So here denominator of is two numbers are different. So LCM is 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So here write LCM is a 12. 3 how many times of possible? 3 1s 3. 3 2 6, 3 3s 9, 3 4s are 12. So 4 times possible. 4 into numerator 1 minus. 4 how many times of possible here? 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8, 4 3s 12. 3 times. So here 3 into numerator 3. Okay. So here 4 1s 4 minus 3 3s 9 by 12. So here 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 means 9 minus 4, 5, but here big number is the symbol is the negative. We should keep here minus 5 by 12. So, therefore, we will get the answer 3 by 4 from 1 by 3 is equal to minus 5 by 12. Understand? Yes. 8th Roman first one explain, remaining 2 problems do the homework. Okay? Right. So next question 9th one. What numbers should be added to minus 5 by 8? What numbers should be added to minus 5 by 8? So as to get minus 3 by 2. So minus 5 by 8, which number is adding? We will get the minus 3 by 2. So here adding number here did not given. Then we have to take the x or y, your wish. Okay. Let the number to be added is x. Solution. Let the added number is x. We will get minus 3 by 2. So here write the equation. What numbers should be added to minus 5 by 8? So write the equation minus 5 by 8. Added the number is the x. We will get the minus 3 by 2. So here which number is adding? Will get the answer minus 3 by 2. We will find. Okay. Understand here? So write here is equal to LHS and RHS is there. So here x is equal to left side is minus 5 by 8 plus x is there. So here write x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So here negative quantity becomes to positive quantity is equal to negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. So plus 5 by 8. So here denominators 2 is, here denominators 2 is the 2 and 4. These two numbers possible of tables. So 2 comma 8 LCM. 2 1s 2, 4 2s 8. Again 2 table. 1 is right, 2 2s are 4. So what is LCM? 2 into 2 into 1 into 2. 1 into 2. So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 1s 4, 4 2s are 8. So here LCM of. So finally LCM 8. So x is equal to LCM is 8. So here denominator 2 is there. So 2, 8 in how many times of possible? 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 4s 8. So 4 times possible. 4 into numerator is minus 3 plus 8 how many times possible? 1. 1 into 5. So here 4 3s are 12 minus 12 plus 5 1s 5 by 8. So finally minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5. home. So here minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8. So therefore x is equal to minus 7 by 8. So what number should be added to minus 5 by 8? So as to get minus 3 by 2. So we should add the number minus 7 by 8. So finally what we write here? Minus 7 by 8 should be added to 5 by 8. Minus 7 by 8 should be added to minus 5 by 8. We'll get the minus 3 by 2. We'll get the minus 3 by 2. Understand here? This is the ninth solution. Okay? Okay. Next 10th question. 10th problem. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. One of the number is minus 5 by 6. Find the other number. Find the other number. So here dear students, listen carefully. Sum of the two rational numbers. So here did not given the rational numbers. Then we have to take the x and y or a and b, your wish. So let us take the two rational numbers. Solution. Let us take two rational numbers. Two rational numbers is x and y. According to the problem, the sum of the two rational number is 8. According to the problem, according to the problem, according to the problem, sum of two rational numbers, sum of two rational numbers is 8. So we should write the x plus y equal to 8. Understand here? According to the problem, sum of two rational, sum means we add the symbol of plus. So x plus y, two rational numbers. Already let us take two rational numbers x comma y. Sum of two rational numbers means x plus y is 8, is equal to 8. So same time, according to the problem, one number is the minus 5 by 6. One number is the minus 5. One of the number is 5 by 6. And here given x is equal to minus 5 by 6. Already given that x equal to minus 5 by 6. One of the number is minus 5 by 6. Find the other number. So then we will find the, find the other number. So because of y is equal to how much? So here write, substitute the equation, x is equal to minus 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 plus y is equal to 8. So it is clarity are given, this is the equation 1 and it is a, here write, substitute equation 1, here write, substitute equation 1. So x value, substitute equation 1. So minus 5 by 6 plus y is equal to 8. So here y is equal to, negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. Negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. 8 plus minus 5 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. So here did not there of denominator. Then we have to take the 1. What is the LCM here? LCM is 6. LCM is 6. So here write 6. 6, 1 how many times of possible? 6 times. 6 into 8 plus 6 1 time possible, 1 into 5. So 6 8s are 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3s 18, 6 4s 24, 6 5s 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48 plus 5 by 6. So here 48 plus 5, 48 plus 5 is 53, 53 by 6. 53 by 6. So it is the value of y. Understand here? Finally, the other number is 53 by 6. The other number is 53 by 6. Okay? Dear students, in the exercise 1.1 up to 10 problems completed. I hope to understood these problems. If you have any doubt, contact me.